today we are going to be unboxing this, the Razer Blackwidow Ultimate Gaming Keyboard. Welcome back, I'm here from the Apocalypse Radio, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing and review of the Razer Blackwidow Ultimate Gaming Keyboard, which is right here. Here's the box. So let's take it out of its box. Sounds like quite a good idea. Yeah. So we'll start by just opening it up here. Careful not to rip the packaging because it's really nice. Let's see, okay, well, we could actually just look at the box, you know. It's a beautiful box. See, we've got keys, really nice, clicky. Yeah, got some information on the back. Okay. There you go, I've got it now. So, we shall slide it out. Come on. There you go. And there we go. So, here's the box. Screen inside. All the way inside. Screen. Quite cool. It's really nice. We'll just set it to one side. Yeah, it'll be fine. Whatever. Okay, so this is the box. Looks like you can lift it out. Useless. Plastic cover on it. You can take that off. Bit boring. Yeah. And now that's the keyboard. And man, it looks beautiful. So let's just take it out. So just as a note, this isn't an unboxing, but more of a re-unboxing, because I unboxed it when I first got it, but then I re-unboxed it for this unboxing video. So yeah, so fitting the cable back inside was like a nightmare. So yeah, okay, it's like really, really thick cable. You can see. Super thick and like really tough. And so it's got a splitter here to what's this one? Okay, keyboard, USB pass through. Then this one is headphones, microphone. So yeah, now that we've taken out the keyboard, we can see in here that there's this mysterious package here. So we're going to take it out, and man, it does look really cool actually. So on the back here it says Razer, for gamers, by gamers. Probably can't see that, but it does look really cool. And then www.razerzone.com. We'll open, and we'll just open it like this. And it says, welcome to the cult of Razer. This is looking sweet. And then we can just take everything out. Yeah, just a nice cardboard enclosure. And so we've basically got a few cards here. So this first one, it's just congratulating us on our purchase. Looks really nice. It's signed. We'll keep that. Then this is just like a Razer for the faithful, exclusive rules thing. Always like advertising. Yeah, so here's the instruction manual, and you can see like even the instruction manual has these nice rounded edges. Like they've rounded everything. So yeah, it's a quick start guide, contains like basic information. Yeah, at least it's in colour, not in black and white. You got like legal stuff. Don't want that. Fell. And it comes with 2 stickers. Really nice stickers actually. So I'll probably put them up in my room, in the studio, stuff like that. So anyway, let's move on to the review section. So for that, I should probably clear up a bit. Yeah, so see you and on to the review. Okay, so now for the review. So I've got my laptop here. That's basically just powering it. So one thing to note is that it is backlit. Yep, you heard it. Backlit keyboard, and it does look amazing. So on the keyboard itself, it's also got some kickstands here and here. If you want to make it higher, I don't bother because it's all at quite a good angle. So just point it this way. It's got Razer illuminated logo. Then along here we've got all the F keys, and we've got all the FN functions. So from keys F9 to F12, they're all like custom Razer functions, because like only Razer have them. Like non-generic keyboard functions. Like so F9, that's macro. If we turn it on, it puts on red light, but I can't really bother to do it because it will map a macro to a key, and then I have to change it all. Yeah. Then there's also gaming mode. We activate that. You can see it's a light that goes on there, which means it's in gaming mode. So gaming mode, what it does is it can disable like Alt F4, Alt Tab, and Windows key, so that when you're playing your game, you don't accidentally press one and screw everything up. So you can just go ahead and turn that off. And then these last two, it's keyboard brightness, so we can turn it down until it goes off, or we can turn it up. There we go. So this keyboard also has 5 dedicated macro keys. I think I will put the kickstands up. So these keys, you can program them to do whatever you want. Windows 8 charms, launch a program, execute a set of keys, commands, anything. It's truly unlimited possibilities. I've just got M1 and M2 set to just click like crazy. Quite useful for some games like Minecraft, if you want to play something really fast, or if you want to destroy something very fast, or if you want to play Cookie Clicker, quite useful. But yeah, so those are some of the main features. It's got a numpad, of course, decent keyboard, and now onto the keys themselves. So these aren't Cherry MX keys as you would expect in a normal mechanical keyboard, because it is a mechanical keyboard. They're actually Razer's own brands of key. Now, if you ask me, they're really similar to Cherry MX keys. If you just let me fetch the box and you can see the comparisons. Okay, so on the back of this box here, probably can't read it from here, but it says how this is world's first mechanical switch designed for gaming, blah 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 whatnot. And it shows the difference. All new Razer mechanical switches and standard mechanical switch. So it's just got like different actuation points, and it's got like, well, on the website it's actually got different figures, but on the box it says this Razer keys do up to 60 million keystrokes, and on the box and standard ones do up to 20 million, but on the website it says standard ones do up to 50 million. But I mean, 10 million extra key presses isn't bad. I think. So they are definitely good keys. They've been designed specifically for gaming. I mean, the only reason why I choose them rather than the Cherry MX key would probably be because of the durability. This actuation point business doesn't really bother me. But yeah, they are really cool. So I went with the clicky ones, so you can choose clicky or silent. So if you're really quiet and we listen in, you'll be able to hear it. So that's one key, it's what it sounds like. Sounds like really good. It's got a very nice audible click with lots of tactile feedback, and yeah, you can like click two at once. It does sound really good. Yeah, they're an absolute joy to use, these keys. And it looks like a very durable keyboard. It feels very good. It is plastic, but it feels like pretty good plastic. So it is the sort of plastic that would attract like grease and stuff like that. So you may want to clean your keyboard regularly. But yeah, it is really good. These keys, they look really durable. I don't think they're likely to fade away anytime soon. They look like they've been printed on properly. Yeah, so now Razer have actually released some software to go with this keyboard called Razer Cortex, I think it was. What was it? Got it running. Okay. Yeah. So they've released some software that will let you customize the macros. You can customize the brightness of the keys, like basically what this could do, but you can do that. And you can set profiles, you can remap any key to anything. So I just as a joke, I was thinking like, you remap like all the keys to like the backspace key as like guest profile. Then whenever someone wants to use your keyboard, put it onto the guest profile and yeah, ruins the day. But anyway, this software, you can configure macros as well. Yeah, it is a bit more useful on the Razer Chroma series keyboards because there you can customize the colour of every single key individually. Now these ones, although they are lit up individually, like keys are individually back, but you can only control them all as a whole. You can't control them one then the other. So we're just going to go take a look at this Razer Cortex thingy, and yeah, let's go! And hey guys, welcome back! So here's the second part of the review of the keyboard, and I thought we should do a typing speed test. So this is with the keyboard. You can hear it. Ah, no, it's already started. Reset. Okay. So basically just gonna have to type all this in, and yeah. Are you ready? Set. Go! Now I know I'm not the fastest typer in the world, but you know, it's even harder whilst I'm talking, so yeah. No. Be quiet, please, I'm recording. Okay guys, so this was the results. Now, I know I'm not a terribly fast typer or anything, but, yeah. You know, 25 words per minute, but we don't have anything to compare it to. So, let us redo this, but yeah. Alright, I'll just get that as a screenshot. So we've got that as reference, we know that. And now let's redo it, okay? But this time, I'm going to do it with my other keyboard. So I'll just like, budge along a bit. See if I can reach it. And let's start the time lapse. Actually, I should move that a bit closer. Oops. Okay. You ready? Set. Oh no, I forgot. Let's retry that. This time we'll press Control Shift. You ready? Okay, made a small mistake there. Let's just retry. It's time. Yeah. Okay. Yep, that was done. So as you can see, we kind of failed at that. So I did make like a few mistakes, which kind of awkward and stuff. And at one point I did actually do a weird thing, right click and stuff. But just because I right click, I wouldn't say that I would count that as an invalid test because the touchpad is so close. I think I'd actually count that as a valid test because that kind of thing could happen to you whilst you're using a laptop keyboard. So yeah, I think this new keyboard is much better and can actually help you improve your typing skill. Yeah. I mean, I know, probably not completely valid tests, but, you know. Yeah, so... Now we're going to have a look at... that's nothing. At Razer Cortex. So, I forgot about that. Razer. Razer Synapse. It wasn't Cortex, it was Synapse. Now we know. Okay, so this is Razer Cortex. Well, Synapse. No, yeah, it's not Cortex. I keep making that mistake. It's Synapse, not Cortex. Okay, so here we can remap every single key. So these green ones are ones where I've macroed them. See, macro. And you can set it to any of these things. Like even a Windows 8 charm. I am serious. You can do anything with it. But I've set it to macro auto right click. So yeah. This one's just like run for 10 seconds. It's just like press the forward arrow key for 10 seconds. Stuff. So yeah, so it's all in my normal profile. Not made a guest one yet. So here you can choose the lighting effects. There is like a pulsate mode, so you probably can't see it, but it just like dims it and brightens it up again. So you know, but I think I'll just stick to this. I like it in bright. So yeah, this is the lighting stuff. As always, you can set profiles for that as well. And then this is for gaming mode. Turn it on. And the light comes on my keyboard. Or we can turn it off. Yeah. So we can choose what we want to disable. So when it's on, you just tick all those. When it's off, on, off. Yeah. Leave it off. So now onto the macros. We can choose a macro, so like my auto click, just literally a whole bunch of that. So when you record a new macro, you can just like, and it will record delay and stuff. But you can change all that. Like you can go insert, or you can choose don't record it with delay, and it'll just do that. So yeah. So yeah, these are macros. Did that mess up? Right. Yeah. Also click. Maybe. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we can insert our own character. Delays, keystrokes, keystroke after. And yeah. And then in stats, it's actually a completely different application. Yeah, let's wait for that to load. So far, last time I checked, stats wasn't really doing anything, so I don't know if it works yet. So it's got like these heat map things, but can't get it to work. So it won't show me the heat maps. Okay, wait, show me keystrokes, keystroke distance in meters. I don't understand. Oh, is it like, because you press it like down a certain amount of millimeters to add it all? Yeah, weird thing. Oh, that's in last session, all time. No, not much. Oh, that's just like for games. It's done it for Gary's mod, but not for any other game. I'm quite sure I've played other games, like Team Fortress 2, and I even called it for Gary's mod. Weird. I have been playing quite a bit of Gary's mods, so it's only giving me sample data. Yeah, so this is what it would look like. Oh, this one works. All time. That's been pressed what? How has that been pressed more times than that? Okay. So this must have been me playing Gary's mod. Even though I don't read 52 times? What? Okay. Yeah. Oh, I can edit it. Oh, color range. So press that one loads of times. And okay, yeah, this is weird. I don't really understand why it does that, but yeah. Okay, back to this. We've also got these notifications here. Upgrade your sound for free. Remind me later. Install software update. Yeah, these are just notifications. Yeah, sorry my email address is blurred out. I don't want spam, which I've already been getting, so I'll just say no thanks and update it later. Okay, but anyway, that's about the entire thing, so yeah, goodbye, thanks for watching, see you next time.